MLA kanot shlong Bah Adelbert Nongrum ula Pyrshah jori ka bthah bala penmi da ka Ministry of Home Affairs ka ba hukum ba ban rwai lot ya baro ki hinriu tli ki dikhat ya ka jingrwai Vande Mataram ha ki jingalang jong ka sarkar kumju ha ki school da ka ba ong ha ki snam ki bala len la rwai tang ya ki art li ki dikhat Habakran Shakilat Patai Kubor Hadin Kajinga Kendu Bat Ajing Tho Shau Chief Secretary U Dr. Shakil Ahmed Haka Henry Trikliber Uba Adelbert Ula Ong Ba Ula Tho Shaka Sorkar Ban Pen Pau Pyrshah Yakani Dak Ba Ong Ba Sham Pyrshah Satya Yaka Jingrwai Henry Ban Penne Yaka Rukam Bajule Ban Rwai Tang Ardkhad Ban Ban Palat Yakata Ulak do baka Constituent Assembly kalapdyang tang yaki artli gidkhat hakasnam khandai spa sanpho bat kariti sanshar kamshim lakdo yaka kum ka jingrwa jongkari Uba Adelbert umahamru baka jingpen bor ban rwailot ya baro gidkhat kalong kumbang ya ailat ban penkhen yaka article arpasan ka ba penthikna yangi kinong shnong halor ka jingnai luit haka jinget nyam
Today, purposely, I came to meet the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Shakil Ahmed, apprising him through my letter to lodge a strong protest against the recent government instruction issued to various departments, offices on the government of Meghalaya for strict observance of the national song at official government occasions by playing mass singing of full-length version of Vande Mataram. I would also like to clearly state that I'm not against the national song of Vande Mataram, but I'm totally against the full-length version of the national song, for which I'm fully subscribed the only first two stanza of the national song. And also I had reminded through the letter that these two stanza, which is written by Sanskrit, which is written in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was adopted as national song by the Constituent Assembly in 1950, and that there is no mention of national song in the Constitution of India. I would also like to remind that if such thing happen, it's like we allow to infringe the Article 25, which guarantee to us as a citizen the freedom of faith and religion. And also I would like to remind, as a Christian, as a believer, I'll quote that the first from the 10 Commandments, that I am the Lord your God. You shall not have any strange God before me. I also like to further remind the government through the Chief Secretary to kindly make appropriate correction to the said government instruction so that Vande Mataram is played, sung only these two stanza and not beyond.